My name is Greg Nation, and my grandfather started the company in 1967, and we originally started out making fan coils for the HVAC industry. This is Barry Buchanan. He's our Director of Operations and Manufacturing. He's been here, what,
A little over
5 years, and we've made several changes in those 5 years. We've really expanded our sheet metal department. We've added new presses, feeders, all types of new equipment in trying to boost our capacities. And with the equipment that we've put in place, we've seen a dramatic increase in the amount of product we can produce. We make probably 2,700 different finished goods for the HVAC industry. We kind of specialize in the fan coil sector, and we mainly produce units for apartment complexes, hotels, motels. We do some light commercial applications with our belt drive units.
The company has been in business for more than 40 years, and during the initial years of the company, we bought some used equipment and older equipment to get started. And that equipment has served us well for a long time, but it began to show its age, and we were having some severe maintenance issues, press down times, plus the fact that the equipment was of an age where it just did not have the throughput capacity that we needed. So approximately 4 years ago, Greg and I decided we were going to start upgrading the press area first, because that's really the key function of the plant. Without all the sheet metal parts, it doesn't make any difference what else we do. And we knew we had to get that area up and running and improve the capacity. So we did a search. We knew that we could not suffer the maintenance issues we had with the older presses or the throughput limitations. And as a result of a lot of study and work and investigation, we decided that we would standardize on the SEYI press. We did that for two reasons, really. It was a value proposition, plus we felt that SEYI was very responsive to answering our questions and needs. We started out with two. We've since added I think 5 more to that. We have a total of 7 SEYI presses in operation now. A couple of 220 tons, a couple of 3, I think, 176-ton presses, and 2 88-ton presses. Reliability has been good. The control system on them has been exactly what we needed to improve both the throughput and the quality of the product that we've had. So we've been really successful with that. It's been about a 3 or 3.5 year conversion effort. We probably have a couple more we'd like to replace at some point in time, and we will. But so far, those changes have allowed us to develop the capacity to keep up with the growth that the company's enjoyed over the years. The result of all the changes that we've made in the press area there has been to at least double the capacity. And at the same time, while we're adding capacity, we have been able to maintain lead times, which are very critical in this part of the industry. The nature of the business is that when a distributor or a customer comes in for a unit, he needs it then, and we need to be able to deliver it on time and within a reasonable lead time. And so that's the SEYI presses have allowed us to do that in large part for our press room. And because of that, when we add additional capacity in the future, we're going to stick with the SEYI press. We're very happy. We will say yes to SEYI again, I'm sure.